Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to blend oil pastels. This will be a complete guide and it will be a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have some oil pastels and I'm going to show you how to blend them properly. A lot of people think that you just have to put two colors in the same spot and they will blend. That's not exactly the case when it comes to oil pastels. You have to do it with a little bit of technique and finesse. So let's get right into the video. So let's go over how to not do it, okay? And I'll demonstrate with these two colors. We're going to blend these two colors properly, so I don't want to get them too dirty. So I'm going to demonstrate the wrong way with these two colors. Okay, so as you can see right here, if you go too dark, so let's say I put this I guess this is like almost like a maroon kind of color. If I put this maroon color really dark, as you can see, really dark, that's as dark as an oil pastel will produce basically, and then I put the green really dark on top, they're not going to blend. They're just, because the bottom one will just cancel out the top one will cancel out the bottom one. They're not really going to blend. I'm just scraping off the pastel essentially. As you can see, I'm just scraping off a lot of the other color. It's not going to blend properly. You're going to end up, just mixing the pastels with each other on the actual pastel. And then if I draw here, I'm going to get a mixture of both colors. You don't want to do that. Okay. On the other hand, if I do it too lightly, so let's say I was to just do it, too lightly like this. I'm just barely, like too sparsely, I should say, where there's too much white space in between, too much blank paper space in between whatever color the paper is, right? And I try and blend it. It's not going to blend because the second color is just going to essentially fill in the blanks of the first color that the first color is missing. Some of it will blend, but essentially there's going to be too much sparseness. So if you want to blend the colors properly, what you need to do, let's make sure this is nice and clean because I was using these for a different video before doing this one. What you want to do is you want to do it rather lightly, but make sure you fill in the area completely. So I'll start off with blue so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to start rather lightly, like I'm not pressing hard, but I'm filling in the area completely. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to do a circle. So it's light, but I'm going to not leave much sparseness of the color. So you can see right here, it's not that I'm going dark, I'm going light, but essentially I am filling in the entire area right here. Now, obviously when it comes to oil pastels, you're going to have lighter spots and darker spots, but I'm really not leaving much blank space between. Okay, so I've done that color right there and then I want to blend it with this color right here, and I'm going to just do the same thing with this color. And as you can see already, we can see the green coming through because blue and yellow make green. We're going to do the same thing with this color right here. Now it's different than paint. When you mix paint together, it's just going to go ahead and it's going to produce one color at the end. When you blend pastels, you're going to see both colors, but you're also going to see the mixture, which is why people love blending them. So essentially, I'm seeing the blue, I'm seeing the yellow, but I'm also seeing the green. Okay, and there's a lot of green there. The more that I go over it, the more green that it's going to produce. Okay, as you can see right there. So that's the cool thing about blending pastels. You can see the blue, you can see the yellow, and you can also see the green when they mix together, which is really cool. That's it. That is how to blend pastels properly. Like I said, you don't want to go too dark. You don't want to go too sparse or too light, I should say. You want to go fairly light, but also fill in the entire area that you want to blend. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.